Good morning, students. Today I will read the poem I Wonder from your English literature book. Let's read, okay? I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lighting flash about? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me if he knows? It is your poem. Now read it. And students, listen. You have to write this poem completely in your literature copy for your homework. Now we are going to do today's CW. Here is. Mention the CW and today's date 14/8/2020. Lesson 3, the mice and the elephants. And its heading is opposite words. What is opposite words? It is not a word meaning. It is opposite word, which you have already done in lesson number 1 and 2 already. Okay. So, our first word is hot. Hot means, आप सब जानते हैं कि क्या होता है hot means? So, it is the opposite of hard words cold. Okay, the word cold is opposite word of hot. Number 2, agreed. Agreed, opposite word of agreed is disagreed. Always, what is the opposite word of always? Never. Never is opposite word of always. Strong, what is the meaning? What is the correct opposite word of strong? Weak. W-E-A-K, not W-E-E-K. So be careful for in the writing. Okay. Sad, what is the correct word of opposite word of sad? Happy. Happy is the opposite word of sad. Trapped, T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Remember, T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Okay. Trapped, it means freed. What is the opposite words of trapped? Freed. Understand? Read it again. Hot, cold, agreed, disagreed, always, never, strong, weak, sad, happy, trapped, freed. Homework, learn lesson 3, opposite words with correct meaning. It is your homework. आपको एक होमवर्क लेसन नंबर 3 का अपोजिट वर्ड लर्न करना है. एंड सेकंड क्या था हमारा अभी जो मैंने पहले आपको ऑलरेडी बताया है? पोएम. पोएम आपको राइट करनी है आफ्टर दैट इन योर होमवर्क. अंडरस्टैंड? थैंक यू.